Guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to slice a photo in Canva, easy Canva tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just head on to canva.com first and choose in a template. Right after, you'll just need to go ahead and upload the photo that you want to slice. So you should be able to find that option here onto the left side, click onto uploads, and then you could go ahead and drag and drop the photos in here that you want to use. Or you could simply click onto upload files in here to browse onto the different files that you have onto your account. So for example, I want to use this photo in here. So you'll just need to simply click onto that. And then right after, to add in a slice effect, just head here onto the bottom part corner of the screen on the apps. Click onto that and then onto the search bar, just type in slice. So you should be able to find in this option, click onto that. And then right after, you should be able to find in different options to slice your photo. So we have chip, slice, mince, and torn. So you'll just need to click onto the photo first. And if you click onto each of this, you should be able to see how it has affected the photo. So we'll choose sliced in here. And then right after, you should be able to find in some options as well. We have offset in here. You could adjust that one, the count, and also its position. So once you're satisfied, just simply click onto save. And that is just basically it, how you slice a photo in Canva. If you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.